Hello everyone, it's brochure tour time, and in today's brochure tour we will be taking a look at the new Dodge, the 1995 Dodge Dakota pickup. Alright, just even looking at the cover, it's pretty busy. All kinds of stuff going on here. I've always liked the Dakota, and I've always liked this body, especially this year in the 95. So it shared some interior bits with the new Ram and things like that, but just a good looking, almost looks like an F-150. Now that I'm looking at this, when I saw that, looking at these lines, it almost looks like the F-150. Alright, a bunch of different engine options here. You can definitely tell this is 90s. We don't have those kind of air cleaners anymore. This one over here is a 5.2 liter Magnum V8. And over here is a 3.9 liter V6. Here we got a red and silver two-tone Dakota club cab towing a boat. Third brake light mounted on the tailgate. Got the Dodge logo here. It says the Dakota actually had 7,100 pounds of towing capacity. It's pretty good for a compact truck like this. Here's the interior. By today's standards, the interior is not that great, but I can tell you I have actually reviewed a 95 Dakota, and the interiors are actually pretty comfortable. They don't offer any kind of creature comforts or anything like that, but, you know, if you can find one cheap, pretty good little trucks. Wood grain trim here. Fake wood, of course. Got that two-spoke Dodge steering wheel with the horn buttons here and the cruise controls down here because it had an airbag. This one shows the full instrument group here. And then just a very 80s and 90s looking dashboard. No passenger airbag. As a matter of fact, airbags weren't really required in pickup trucks, but manufacturers started offering them. The Dodge Ram, I think, was the first to offer a full-size truck to offer an airbag. The full instrument group here. Overhead console with trip computer, outside temperature display, and things like that. Then you had the 5-band graphic equalizer for the AM/FM CD player. The Dakota Sport and teal. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's the 90s. This is great. I love those splash graphics too. And the Dakota Sport script. It's so fun. I love the 90s. The neat looking off-road truck here with the brush bar, the Magnum powered, so it's V8, Dakota Sport. Your platform here. A Dakota with a snow plow, that's funny. 7-step paint process here. Different ways to do your cargo bed. Bunch of different colors up here. You have flame red, black, bright white, aqua, brilliant blue, emerald green. These are all available as sport colors. And then you had light driftwood satin glow and dark blue. Then all of your interior, or these are more silver star metallic, saber gray, and claret red. The one I reviewed was claret red with the silver star lower portion. And the one I reviewed had the crimson red interior. It was an SLT. So you had medium driftwood, crimson red, slate blue, and quartz. Notice that there's no black. They didn't offer black interiors on these, or even the Dodge Rams. They didn't have those either. So this is all your features, equipment pages. These are really cool. All the different seating configurations and your two-tone paint treatments. Trailer tow specifications here. More trim level options from the base all the way to the Super SLT. Alright, there we go. A little family picture here. Two-tone SLT, probably a sport and a base. Alright, and that does do it. That's our brochure tour of the 1995 Dodge Dakota. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and our Instagram page at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.